Hi guys, here is how you can add a password to your PDF files. Now here is our sample PDF file. If you have the paid version of Acrobat, you can go to Menu and Protect using the password. But we do not have all the packages. Anyway, so a free way of adding the password is simply open the Word document. Here is it. Now drag the PDF to Word. OK. Now if the conversion did not come right, please check our other video to add a password. Anyway, so now the PDF document is in the Word file. Now go to File, Save as this PC. I will save in the desktop. Give a name and save type as PDF. Click on Options and here is Encrypt the document with the password. OK. Give any password you want and OK. And save. Let me cancel this. Now here is our password protected PDF. So you can only view the PDF with the correct password. Thank you very much.